Scattered showers and thunderstorms to return on Thursday over central and eastern South Africa. That's why our Stage 0 solar radiation map is picking up a very poor PV harvest on your solar panels in the shade of blue to purple over eastern South Africa, but peak performance in the shades of red in the Cape provinces. So here's your forecast. Isolated thunderstorms expected after a windy afternoon in parts of northwest as well as the Free State, becoming scattered here over the southern, central and eastern areas. Widespread storms are likely to move over Bloemfontein, the bordering areas near Lesotho and later into KwaZulu-Natal. Isolated showers in the forecast for the Eastern Cape, thunderstorms over the northern areas, and also a combination of showers and thunderstorms expected on Thursday in KwaZulu-Natal. We also do have a level 2 yellow warning in place, where the likelihood is high, but the impact will be low if severe storms develop over parts of the Free State, Mpumalanga, KwaZulu-Natal and the Eastern Cape. These storms could become severe, result in large amounts of small hail, gusting winds or a quick heavy downpour. On Thursday, that northeasterly wind blowing fresh to strong along the coast of the Eastern Cape, spreading to the coast of KwaZulu-Natal. A windy afternoon for northwest, the Free State, and then later a fresh westerly wind picking up over the Cape provinces. Becoming windy on a Thursday afternoon over large parts of the Western Cape and extremely hot over the interior, with the mercury soaring to 37 degrees in Robertson, 36 expected in Laingsburg. The Weather Service warning against extremely uncomfortable conditions in the Little Crew, 36 in Oudtshoorn. Mid-30s also expected in Beaufort, West Graaff-Reinet and parts of the Eastern Cape. It's warmer along the southern coastline with temperatures a comfortable 25 degrees and in that area. Clots of cloud moving over the Eastern Cape later, with isolated storms expected over the eastern areas. A northeasterly wind blowing fresh between Port St. John's and East London. Also mostly cloudy skies to partly cloudy conditions for KwaZulu-Natal. It is a warmer afternoon with temperatures in the mid-20s. Only isolated showers likely over the coast, but scattered thunderstorms expected later over Newcastle and in Ladysmith. In Mpumalanga, cloudy at first with light rain possible in parts of the Lowveld. Later temperatures in the lower to mid-20s. Also some cloud expected in Limpopo, as well as along the escarpment with light rain between Thohoyandou and Zindine. Warming up in the Bushveld with temperatures soaring to 30 degrees and northerly wind picking up with stormy conditions later over the southern areas. The northerly wind also picking up ahead of isolated thunderstorms over large parts of northwest. A westerly wind blowing fresh on Thursday over large parts of the Northern Cape. Foggy at first along the coast, later temperatures in the mid-20s in parts of Namakwaland. Thunderstorms later moving over to Colesberg and into the Free State as well as the Eastern Cape. It is going to be a stormy Thursday at times for large parts of the Free State. That's also where the South African Weather Service is warning against the possibility of severe storms. In Gauteng, peaking at 26 in Johannesburg, it's a mostly cloudy day. Cooler in the afternoon with 23 in Johannesburg. Isolated showers likely with thunderstorms possible later, mainly over the central and southern areas. Overnight into Friday, a weak cold front sliding over the coast, bringing cooler conditions and light rain for the Western and Southern Cape. Thunderstorms stretching from the interior of the Eastern Cape over KwaZulu-Natal and parts of Mpumalanga. And then this weekend, we've got a cut-off-low weather system set to bring stormy conditions across South Africa, with a chance of thunderstorms stretching all the way from the Cape provinces across the Eastern Cape, parts of the Free State, Gauteng, Limpopo and Mpumalanga. Well, that's all from me, and remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.
Introducing the Volta 700X portable power station, your ultimate companion for power on the go. And compact utility for camping, home or office. Stay connected.